Capital of the Côte d'Azur and the fifth largest city in France, Nice is home to spectacular beaches and landscapes, enjoyed by thousands of tourists every year. But it's also home to one of the founding members of the French Football League, OGC Nice.
Le club de l'OGC Nice a une importance fondamentale à Nice parce qu'on a une identité très forte dans cette ville. On est complètement positif pour cette saison. Même si elle avait mal démarré, on savait qu'avec l'arrivée d'INEOS, on allait surmonter les épreuves et revenir petit à petit.
In August, INEOS announced the acquisition of OGC Nice as part of the INEOS Football Group and ushered in a new chapter for the club.
Everyone is very enthusiastic about the arrival of INEOS. From the first meeting until now, we have met people of great quality who have made us want to share this project.
Bob Ratcliffe, CEO of INEOS Football, is keen to take the club forward and make them European contenders.
He's got all the attributes we were looking for in a football club. Good players, good squad, real fan base, real enthusiasm, and it's got a good history. We think with measured investment over the next 3 to 5 years, we can put it in a place where it's competing regularly in Europa League, Champions League. So if we apply sort of the INEOS values, I think we'll get to the right place.
With 4 league titles to their name, won in a glittering period of the 50s, the club has a rich history. Their last cup triumph came in 1997, winning the Coupe de France. INEOS are looking to instill some of their trademark grit and determination to help the club achieve success again.
Ce qui arrive au club, c'est quelque chose d'incroyable, d'impensable. Jamais j'avais imaginé que INEOS puisse à un moment donné racheter le club. Et j'espère en tout cas qu'il y aura une autre personne, un autre capitaine qui pourra soulever ce trophée rapidement.
Success is something familiar to former Arsenal invincible Patrick Vieira, who has been lead coach since last season.
I think INEOS coming to our football club is a massive step forward, not just for our football club, but for the French league as well, because INEOS is one of the biggest brands worldwide. And I think we can be even more ambitious because we have the experience of people who's been really successful in business and in different sports, but it's really exciting to be part of it.
With a superb stadium that hosted World Cup football last summer and a fantastic new training centre, the club has a bright future ahead of it.
Our ambition is, to be honest, is to continue to increase the level of the club, but also to develop the club with the mentality, with the capacity each season to be able to compete.